Okay, for my good friend Zippo Mel, we're going to take this apart because I know if he had 5 minutes with this, he would have already taken this apart. So it looks like there's a screw on the inside here, like for an Allen wrench. Try and unscrew this. Screw that goes all the way through the case to the base here. There we go. So the base here to this Zippo. The Zippo is called the Handilite. Insert. So there's a bolt there. Just needs an Allen wrench. And there's a hole that's been drilled. So it has two slashes on each side going diagonal. Should make it a 78. But I heard that these bases, or Zippo came up with this type of table lighter in 79, so it kind of makes sense. Use a 78 Zippo for the 79 upcoming year. Let's see. Put this back in. I thought I could use any case, but I'd have to drill a hole in a case in order to fit it onto the base here. But that's how you would take it apart. Put it back together again. But there you go, Zippo Mel. That's how you would take it apart and see what's inside. I don't know if you own one, but there you go.